Do enjoy you. I want to clap.
Hey guys, welcome to my.
What?
Okay, hold on. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Let's start eating.
Let's start eating.
Listen, if you're gonna do, you have to do it properly.
Alright, let's go. I go.
Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Let's start eating.
Let's start.
Yeah. Remember when she told you she was about the Benjamins? She fell in lust with your rims on your big body bends. Girl, you gave it up so easy, you ain't even fooling him. If you did it then you probably do it again.
Guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for joining me today. Today we have a pizza mukbang, and I have my husband. He's gonna be doing the mukbang with me. His name is Richie. Say hi.
Hi everybody, what's good?
Okay, so we're here to eat, and I know you guys are wondering where I've been, and we'll talk about that while we, eating and stuff like that. I'm not gonna show you an outfit of the day, so just have a little shirt on, nothing big. All right. So my pizza is a supreme pizza, and what I did with it was I added bacon, ham, and extra pepperoni. That's right. Then I have some cucumbers here, and I have some carrot, tomato, and some spinach.
Gotta
and
have your greens, you know.
all kind of greens. Yeah.
You know what?
And then my husband, because in the yam pork,
What? That one there was turkey sausage.
turkey bacon.
Turkey bacon, same thing.
So you got cheese and it's about to go down.
Yeah.
We are hungry, so we're just gonna get digging into it, and let's go.
I came here for the food though. Let's go first lady. It's about time, girl.
That's the only thing you came for the food.
Food, yeah man. You know, do the outfit idea so we can go move faster, man. Crush. Which one you got?
I have an orange.
I got orange. I got the strawberry one.
Strawberry one.
You know, you gotta have the strawberry, you know.
My handsome husband.
Hungry, you know, long me wait. I appreciate you having me on your video. You know how it is already.
Aw.
Time to eat right now.
Time to yum.
Yo.
So I'm just gonna start off with
From morning.
cucumber.
What's that?
All day.
That's what the
Cucumber.
cucumber.
I took off the skin.
Let me try that. You know, she said eat my greens. You know, health is wealth. You know. Let me try it.
My favorite blue cheese.
Come on.
Favorite blue cheese.
Dip again. I want it nice. All right. Let my juice simmer down.
Simmer.
Gotta have my barbecue sauce.
Pizza sauce person.
I love sauce on everything. There we go. I put my sauce on it. Yeah, you know I got. Come on, you know I love my sauce. You like? Oh, the blue cheese. Give me some of the blue cheese.
I'm surprised you have no hot sauce.
Oh, well, don't worry about that. Next one. Tomorrow, that's nice of the thing tomorrow, isn't it? Blue cheese.
Tomorrow we might do a seafood boil. So
Might?
we are. Is this recording? Can you see?
Wow. Yeah, man, you can move, man.
Okay, good.
2 minutes and change.
Carrots are so sweet. So here's my pizza.
Here's your pizza.
I like blue cheese on my pizza, as you guys know if you've been with me from day one. Like, I have a lot of subscribers.
It's alright. One day at a time, you know?
My subscribers, I appreciate all of you guys.
Oh, yeah. On the beer, too. You're the beer checker.
I'm a beer checker. It looks good.
We're good? I just wipe it off. First lady. It's a nice dough.
Turkey bacon.
I know. I don't eat pork, yeah, but I eat meat. I eat every meat, but not pork. Crunchy
Pizza
too.
bud.
Bad man.
This is just a regular box pizza. And I just added some stuff to it. That's all. I buy it when it's buy one, get one.
I ain't drinking nothing. The pizza look good though, first lady.
Pork.
They put pork punch, she don't want to give me any. She put the pork on it, guys, because she didn't want to give me none.
Because you're too greedy.
But it's all good. I'll deal with mine.
You can eat all that pizza?
Eat one. I got near it off. We eat all that pizza. Mr. My dicker. What do you think I come? What do you think I'm waiting for? This is what I was waiting for. Long time she could put me in a mukbang.
Whatever.
How your taste?
It's good.
Oh, you got what you call it 22? You got a lot of stuff on it though.
I was being greedy. I was hungry.
I'm not really a crust person, but I'll come back to this.
You have to yum it.
I'll come back to it. You know I really like the crust, but this is delicious.
Don't come start show off now because people are looking, you know.
Yo, it's the right person. She put on it today to eat. Long day. And I'm hungry.
So
I'm just putting all my sauce on mine right now. You know, you do your stuff different.
I should. I put it one by one.
I don't need no thing right here. Man, this is good and it's nice and crunchy too, you know. Perfect. Just the way I like it. Nice.
You can chat. Not gonna lie.
Nah, man, I'll shut my mouth then. You go and chat. Alright guys, I'm not going to talk no more, okay? I'm just going to eat. Nice.
So, I've been MIA again, right?
This is right. Delicious.
Doing a channel or making a video and basically working a full-time job and having a family is hard. It's a lot. You come home, you're tired from a long day, and the last thing you want to do is put on makeup, you know, sit down and do a mukbang. But
you don't need it.
And then
you don't need the makeup.
Thank you. And then, even though I enjoy sitting here with you guys and talking to you guys, I'm by myself basically, and my family's out there and they're eating, so I miss them. So my husband decided, he was like, you know what? The channel is growing, you know, let's push it forward and I'll come do some mukbangs with you. And that made me feel better. You know, my kids, they're older. And we're eating, we talk to each other and stuff like that. But having my husband in the video is really nice.
Yeah, because I'm going to eat up all the food in front of the people there. Yeah, that's why I want to come. To eat up all the food.
So this is the guy I've been talking about who's greedy.
This ain't nothing. Don't worry.
You see, I'm still on my one pizza, my one slice.
First lady, why you do that? Because you know that.
And you got by your third slice.
Because you don't want to give me none of your pizza. You put all them pork stuff on the thing.
This is what I eat. I love pork. You need to yam pork. Why don't you yam pork?
I'm going to yam a few video. So, how all your subscribers have been doing through the little corona thing going on?
I don't know. The corona sucks.
Hope everybody good. You know, stay safe.
Stay home.
Stay home. I never know staying home you can have so much fun. We do a lot.
We did a lot.
God, yeah.
Did you guys see our video of us making a mailbox? It was short, but it was sweet. We had a good time. We played cards with the family. At first, my daughter, she's a little bit younger. She's 13. She was like, she's tired of being in the house, but what can you do?
We had fun every day, different day.
We miss fishing though.
I miss fishing too.
I miss fishing. Excuse me. I miss
It's all
going to
right.
the Keys and going fishing, but
We soon get back there again. We get back there, you know. Cook up.
catch some snappers and some jacks.
Big fisher.
Big fisherman. And woman.
Big fisherman, big fisher. Man, eat some of my greens, yeah, for a first lady to get mad. I tell you, greens.
And put it in the middle.
For that.
I'm being stingy with the sauce, huh?
Yeah.
I was gonna put it in a bowl, but I was like, whatever.
It's alright, good. It's right. This year. I'll come back to y'all later. And we get to the main course. You know what I'm saying?
which is a pizza. A pizza.
Pizza. Mm-hmm.
I've had this channel for what? 8 months?
Mm-hmm.
Hasn't been a year yet.
It's all good.
But I took a little break. But
Everybody take a break. Gotta start somewhere.
mm-hmm.
You know what I'm saying?
Now, before I was trying to post like
This is good.
before I was trying to post like every day, but I think that's not realistic for me.
You busy?
So I try to post like 3 times a week. So,
You busy? What? No?
very
I
good.
know, yeah. That pizza look good. Trust me, right? I buy pizza, no? And then look, no? It look more, even bigger in it. My gosh.
Even better in the video. Ooh.
Look like you give me the mini pizza, Tom.
Same pizza. Same size. Stop.
It's all good, though.
You say the same thing every time I make pizza.
Yes, but you always look like you give me the mini one and then you give the kids the adult one.
No, because it has more stuff on it. Your little sauce of cheese pizza with a couple of pepperoni.
Tastes good, though.
Check your pepperoni.
Tastes real good. Tastes real good. Man, I'm so happy to be in the video. Trust me.
No, because he doesn't have to wait for the food now.
I don't have to wait. I'll wait for when you're done. You give me the leftovers.
Now he can just, but he can't get the leftovers today.
I can't. Well, don't worry. I don't need it.
You put some on it?
Yeah, drop some on there. Yeah. Oh, spinach.
You know, fork?
Fuck. I don't have no fork, you know. Eat my greens, y'all. The boss said I gotta eat my greens. Whatever the first lady said I gotta do. Right, first lady?
That's right.
See? This is nice.
It's what is it? Spinach
and
spring greens.
Check the beard. Good? Okay. Leave a comment down. Tell us what dish you want us to cook and then eat. Some Jamaican dish. You know what I'm saying? Let us know. We chef it up real quick. Show you know what I mean? How it's done. And then we name it.
You see, you almost made me choke my soda.
Too damn greedy. For real. So leave a comment down and tell us that, well, tell the boss over here what you want. And I chef it up. And we come do what we do right here.
The videos are gonna be good.
Because, you know, so we can yum.
You can and you can cook.
Oh, that's one thing I could do. I could cook. So
You can cook really good. We was thinking about making the video like showing you how we cook the food and then eating it.
Yeah. We call it cook and eat mukbang.
Cook and eat mukbang.
Yeah. So yeah, you let them leave whatever they want you to cook in a Jamaican dish or whatever.
Whatever.
But if you want to see some Jamaican dish, I know we could set that up. You know what I'm saying? And get it right. You know, say I ain't drink no juice yet. That's the first, right?
Yeah.
It's all good.
This is good. Wow.
I ain't like, I'm enjoying this pizza right here. It's real good. Nice.
A lot of blue cheese.
What? I know what.
Something, honey?
What do you want? Oh, it wasn't on you?
No. Make sure the light is right. My ring light is broken. Gotta get another one.
Oh.
Because if I had the ring light working, I wouldn't really need these 2 side lights.
Yeah.
Because the ring light is so bright. After I finish filming the ring light, I have to like squint my eyes and adjust my eyes.
Keep talking. Keep talking to your people. Let me eat.
Whatever.
That's your second one or your first one?
My second.
My gosh.
Since you're on pork, to me, you'll probably eat those 2.
So how much pizza? 4 piece, right?
4 piece, yeah. A whole pizza.
That's delicious. We love pizza.
I feel so
What?
weird.
Why?
I haven't been doing this in a while.
Oh.
But
Remember, you ain't free like that, girl. You got stuff to do. You know what I'm saying? Now I got you. Now you gotta get back on that grind. You feel me?
you know what I'm saying?
Grind flow right now. You can't eat them here, these things. Yeah.
It's cucumber or cucumber.
I ain't trying to carry it.
The carrot is sweet.
It is? I'm gonna try it after.
It's sweet.
I'm gonna try it after though. This is good. What?
You ate and nothing really got on your
I
beard.
know. You know why? Because I'm on camera. I gotta start eating on camera more often now. Usually, all of this is full.
Full of food.
Full of food. That's the beer checker right there. She always tell me. But look, clean. Good.
So fresh and so clean.
Always. I would say the same thing, you know. Just because I'm on camera.
Maybe. Let's show off yourself.
Shush. Uppity right now, dog.
That's an uppity.
I'm uppity. I ain't gonna lie, this thing tastes good. Gotta start eating more often.
It's like a spring.
It's
Full.
You full? Take out the pork, let me eat it.
Too much pork. There's bacon on there, sausage, ham, pepperoni.
You see?
Too much pork. Look at my side. Look at his side. Listen, tomorrow when we have the seafood, I don't know. I'm gonna have to
Tomorrow when we have the seafood, and this is gonna be yours, right here. That little portion, the rest of that whole plate is mine. You see how big this is? You're gonna have a little tip. Because at the end of the day, I'm still gonna do mine, and then come back and eat yours. Your boss.
But, whoop. That's all.
You see? Remember I was saving these now? I can get to it now. Really good. Get some here.
It's a very delicious blue cheese. Our favorite. I'm full.
You full already? Full. Right, if you even make the seafood right now, I can eat it.
Oh God. I believe him.
No fool around here. We gotta get to it. You know what I'm saying?
No fool around?
No fool around here. You gotta eat. For real. See, I told you I'm gonna get to it. One at a time. I'm gonna get there.
That's a lot of crust. Want some of my pizza?
Yeah, I will eat your pizza, but all the pork is on it. That's why I said tomorrow, you make the seafood, you just put your little portion to that side and leave everything to my side.
That's seafood.
That's seafood, okay? I'm gonna make sure I eat off mine before you done yours. Cause I'm here now in front of the food now. You don't make it and that way back there, I'm here. So we could take both sides.
Guys, I hope you're staying safe, like my husband said, and stay in the house if you can. If you can't, wear a mask and gloves. Just constantly wash your hands. That's the best thing that you can do. So, also,
sometimes I don't even work.
what?
Like washing your hands, it's crazy. It's like this thing just had the world going crazy. This is the first time I ever see the world doing everything together. Masks,
Yeah.
wearing masks. That's the first time I never see everybody. You know what I'm saying?
I was
It's
in
getting serious.
I was in the store and this lady said, I overheard her talking because I was on the register waiting for the register. Just free up. And she said she came into the store and she saw everybody wearing masks. And she's looking around like, wait a minute. Am I doing something wrong? Why don't I have a mask? And so she felt so uncomfortable.
Yeah,
That's
same
what
thing.
I'm
Yeah, same thing.
Ooh, excuse me. So
Same thing.
the next time she went to the store, she made her own little mask, and because she took everybody in the store had a mask.
Yeah, but they say what I hear now. They're gonna say if you go into the store, you have to have a mask now.
Yeah. When you go to Publix, when you go to Walmart, any grocery store, because that's really all that's open right now. Everybody's wearing a mask.
I don't want these one. I carry them. I carry them.
Okay. Well, guys, I am full.
Full what? Ain't even started yet, girl.
My husband is not full, but I'm full. He'll be here all day. And trust me, if there was not pork on these pizzas, you'd have ate them.
You know that. That's true.
But-
Any day with no pork on that, I'd have been gone. She know.
Okay, yum.
Go. You're free. You can't go and chat me eat.
Oh my gosh. Alright guys, so thank you so much for joining me back. Like I said, I'm going to try to be pushing out like 3 videos a week. If I can do more, I will. But I just want to grow this channel, and I want you guys to help me grow it. So please like, share, and subscribe, and leave a comment down below what you've been up to during the quarantine. And stay safe. And like I always say, I know that there are millions of YouTubers out there, and I appreciate you taking the time to watch me.
Bye.
So stupid.
Yeah. Remember when she told you she was about the Benjamins? She fell in lust with your rims on your big body Benz. Girl, you gave it up so easy, you ain't even fooling him. If you did it then you probably do it again.
Okay, I'm gonna do my intro.
Oh, someone get out?
No.
Huh.